Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start learning HTML with Codecademy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Codecademy website. Create a free account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your email address and a password. Once registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the catalog section in the main menu. In the search bar, type HTML to find relevant courses. Select the course titled Learn HTML. Review the course description and objectives. Click on the Start button to begin the course. Familiarize yourself with the course layout and navigation tools. Start with the Introduction module to get an overview of HTML. Engage with the interactive lessons, which include writing code in real time. Follow along with the exercises, practicing what you learn after each explanation. Refer to the provided resources if you encounter difficult concepts. Take notes on important tags and attributes as you progress. After completing each section, complete the quizzes to reinforce your knowledge. If you feel uncertain, revisit previous lessons for clarity. Join the Codecademy community forums to connect with other learners. Share your questions and insights, and learn from peers. Set aside regular time each week to dedicate to your studies. As you advance, try building small projects to apply your skills. Experiment by modifying existing code to see the effects of your changes. Celebrate your progress by tracking completed modules and projects. Consider exploring related topics, such as CSS or JavaScript, to enhance your web development skills. Seek out additional resources and tutorials outside Codecademy to broaden your understanding. Approach each topic with curiosity and willingness to learn, as web development is an evolving field. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.